Good morning to all my students. Take out your new Radiant Reader Class 6 book. Yesterday I was teaching chapter number 5. Until here I have completed. Today I will start from here. It is said that the oysters at the bottom of the sea opens its shell on and off to let the sea water in. So the oyster is opening their shell so the water can come in and out. Sometimes a tiny speck of mud or the egg of a fish gets into the shell along with the water and presses against its body. Sometimes in the shell, water or egg of the fish gets in it and presses its body. The poor oyster cannot throw it out and so cover it over with a fluid. So the poor oyster cannot throw the water, so it covers it with a fluid, layer on layer, and the tiny speck is changed into a lovely pearl. So the tiny speck is changed in a beautiful pearl. Pearl fishing is now a rapidly growing industry. Many foreigners come to our coast and engage themselves in this business. So today pearl fishing is a very big industry and many foreigners coming from the coast and they are doing this business. They have discovered the secret of making many descent without being worried. So they have discovered many things. They were the first to use diving suits. So the foreigner were the first person to use the diving suit. These diving suits are rather heavy and awkward, and when we wear them we cannot move about quickly. So this is very heavy, the diving suits, and if we will wear that, it is very heavy, we cannot move quickly as we can when we dive naked. When we are diving naked means without diving suit we can move very quickly, but the diving suits protect us if we are attacked by shark and the swordfish. So diving suit is protecting us from the shark and the swordfish. We pearl divers also have our own laws. So their law is also there for divers, pearl divers. For example, we cannot steal pearls. So they cannot be a thief, they cannot steal pearls. If we do and are found guilty, we are thrown into the sea naked. And if we are collecting the pearls, okay, and if we are catched, then we will be thrown in the sea naked and left to ourselves to fight the shark, and then we have to fight the shark, okay, and shark will not save us, shark will kill us in the sea. Such is our life. So life is very danger. Would you like to be a pearl diver? So would you like to be a pearl diver in your future? The writer is asking the question from you. So this chapter is completed. Today I will give you homework. So yesterday I have given you till here question answer. So today's homework will be, you will write today's date, chapter 5, okay, 5 number, 6 number, 7 number, 8 number. These question answer you will write in your literature copy. This is your homework, okay, that's all.